The rapper, 31, has been dealing with a woman he believes has had a celebrity fixation on him for several months, according to new court doc. He also filed for the judge to extend the protection to his girlfriend, Ashley Benson, 31, but this was reportedly. G-Eazy claims that Monica Andrade has shown up at his Hollywood Hills home several times, before ringing the doorbell and pacing in front. He always calls the police, but she leaves before they arrive. According to a report from T, it's claimed that the situation got worse in November last year when she started showing up at all hours of the night and started ringing. Andrade did this again as recently as January 15, it's alleged. The documents say G-Eazy is afraid she will show up at a public event and try to make physical. He also says her constant doorbell ringing has wrecked his peace of mind. While the court apparently didn't think there was enough evidence to extend the restraining order to Ashley yet. Until Teresa hearing, the judge has only granted it for him. The report. The Mirror has contacted reps for G-Eazy and Ashley Benson for comment. G-Eazy reportedly broke up last week and she deleted all traces of him from her Instagram account. A source told Us Weekly, they were arguing all the time and it wasn't good for you. Ashley is the one who